I finally fixed the one thing needed for my startup to work. So this is my startup Ignibots, a fighting robot toy. To win, you need to hit the opponent's head hard enough. But how does this actually work? Well, it's really cool. There's this device called an accelerometer in the head, which, believe it or not, measures the acceleration experience. So if you give it a big enough hit, the head will wobble fast enough to pass the threshold to lose a life. Here's the problem I've had. What threshold do I use? So it needs to be large enough to not activate from just moving about, but not so large that it never activates. To figure this out, I measured 3 situations. When the Ignibot was stationary, when the Ignibot was moving, and when the Ignibot was getting hit. In each of these states, I outputted the values onto the serial monitor, automatically saved it all to a text file, put this text file into Excel, converted it into a CSV file, imported it into MATLAB, then wrote some fancy code to plot these sexy graphs. Looking at the graphs, I found the highest value just moving and the highest value when getting hit, then trial and errored values in between this range. After playing around with it, I found 6.7 to work quite well. I also changed the code so that it requires 2 hits to lose a life rather than 1 now. This makes the game last a bit longer. So there we have it, the life system is working well. That was so fun. Please drop me a follow to watch my journey.